A very good morning, children. We were doing calculation of median, so let's just continue. Now, cumulative frequency series and the median, as I already told you in the class today, that whenever they give you less than and more than class interval like this, and the frequency which is given is not the simple frequency but the cumulative frequency, which you're supposed to convert into simple. Now, as a first step, the cumulative frequency of less than type is converted into simple frequency distribution as under. So the next thing would be class intervals. As you can see here, the difference between the class intervals is 10. So you can straight away change this into the class intervals. So you can start from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and so on. This is your cumulative frequency, which is given in the question. Convert that into simple frequency. So for the first one, it's going to be 15. The second, it's going to be 35 minus 15. Then 60 minus 35, 84 minus 60. And likewise, you do for everything. And then you're going to get your simple frequency. So your simple frequency is 15, 20, 25, 24, and so on. Okay. Now, as you know that you're supposed to calculate the median. So here, your summation F is, or N is 250. So straight away, you can do 250 by 2. You're going to get 125. Or you can as well put the formula here. So we know that the formula for median is M equals to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF by F into I. So once you get 125 children, you have to see that in which particular frequency it falls. Now you have to see the cumulative frequency, but not the frequency, okay? So 25 by 2, you're going to get 125. So 125 will not be in 84. It will be in 96 because 127 will be greater than 125. So you have to take the previous one, okay? So 96 will be your preceding cumulative frequency, and 127 corresponding to that will be your class interval, and your frequency will be 31. So 50 plus 250 by 2 minus 96, since we take the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, by 31 frequency of the same class into 10, since the class interval is 10. So M equals to 50 plus 125 minus 96 by 31 into 10. When you do the calculations, you're going to get median wage rate as 59.32. Okay, so this is your median. So this is how you actually calculate when they give you less than or more than, and you're going to convert that cumulative frequency into simple frequency and then carry on with the problem. Okay, now the next thing what we are going to do is inclusive series and the median. Okay, so calculation of median for the following data. Now you know how to convert inclusive into exclusive. Now these are the marks: 46, 50, 41, 45, 36, 40, and so on. Now, as you can see in the question, that they haven't given the class intervals in proper order. Okay, so you first have to arrange it into ascending order, then change that inclusive series into exclusive series, and then carry on with the formula for the problem. Okay, so this is an inclusive series given in the descending order. It should be converted into exclusive series and placed in the ascending order as in the following tables. Okay, so you're going to start. Now, how do we calculate how do we convert the inclusive into exclusive? We see the upper limit of the first class with the lower limit of the next class. The difference, half of that is added and half of that is subtracted. Okay, if you don't remember, please go through chapter 4 once again. Okay, so here, as you can see, 11 and 15 is there, and the next class interval would be 16 and 20. So the difference between 16 and 15 and 16, okay, the difference is 1. So by 2, 0.5 you're going to add and 0.5 you're going to subtract. So first, this would be, if you subtract 0.5, this will be 10.5, and if you add 0.5, it's going to be 15.5. So 10.5 to 15.5, then 15.5 to 20.5. This will go like this from behind, and this is your conversion of inclusive into exclusive. Then you have the frequencies, okay, 7, 10, 13, 26, 35, 22, 11, and 5. To convert that into cumulative frequency, you got n as 129. So you do 129 by 2, okay, and then you see 129 by 2 item, you got 64.5th item. So if you see your cumulative frequency, your 64 will be this particular class, that is 91, and the corresponding class is 30.5 to 35.5. Your frequency is 35. Cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 56. Okay. Substitute all the values and then calculate using the formula. That would be L1 plus N by 2 minus CF by F into I. When you substitute the values, you'll get 31.7. So your median is 31.7 marks. Okay. Now, median of the series with unequal class intervals. Okay, if at all unequal class intervals are given, then how you are supposed to calculate? Now, calculating median of the following distribution, as you can see, 0 to 5, the difference is 5. 5 to 10, the difference is 10. Then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 50, the difference is 20. Here the difference is 20 again, and here the difference is 30. Now, if the unequal class intervals are given, then what should you do? Okay, the same thing, you don't have to change anything, children. You just have to calculate as it is given. So remember, when unequal class intervals are given, and if you have to calculate median, you can straight away take the class interval and the frequency and substitute the values in the formula. So you don't have to do anything here. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, just write the class intervals, write the frequency, convert that into cumulative frequency. N is 156. So 156 by 2, you're going to get 78th item. As you can see here, the 78th item will fall here in 92. So the corresponding class is 20 to 30. Your frequency is 40 and your cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 52. Okay. So once you substitute the values, children, you're going to get 26.5. Okay. So 26.5 is your median. Fine. So these three methods, please go through and please make a note of all these problems in your notebook. The first is cumulative frequency series and the median. The second is inclusive series and the median. And the third is median of unequal class intervals. So in this video, I'm sending three methods. Okay. Any doubts, you can always ask. Thank you, children.